Storypod Troubleshooting, quick fixes for common issues. For Storypod Troubleshooting, first, ensure the device is charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Next, check for software updates. Storypod is a beloved interactive audio system for kids. It combines audio storytelling with a tactile experience, making learning fun. Like any tech device, Storypod may encounter issues. Troubleshooting can often resolve these problems quickly. Common issues include connectivity problems, audio malfunctions, and software glitches. Addressing these can restore your Storypod to its optimal performance. This guide will help you navigate the most frequent troubleshooting steps. Whether it's charging, connectivity, or software updates, simple fixes can often solve your Storypod issues. Keep your device functioning smoothly and ensure your kids continue to enjoy their interactive learning experience. Storypod power issues. Power issues can be frustrating, especially if your Storypod won't turn on or the battery drains quickly. Understanding and troubleshooting these problems can help you enjoy uninterrupted storytelling time. Below are common power issues and their solutions. 1. Device won't turn on. 2. Battery draining quickly. Storypod connectivity problems. Experiencing connectivity issues with your Storypod can be frustrating. This guide will help you resolve common connectivity problems. Follow the steps below to troubleshoot Wi-Fi and Bluetooth issues. 1. Wi-Fi connection issues. 2. Bluetooth pairing. Storypod audio malfunctions. Experiencing audio issues with your Storypod can be frustrating. This section helps troubleshoot common audio malfunctions. Follow these simple steps to resolve audio issues and get back to enjoying your Storypod. 1. No sound. 2. Storypod app synchronization. Ensuring your Storypod app syncs correctly is crucial for a seamless experience. App synchronization helps keep your content updated and accessible. It can be frustrating if the app doesn't sync properly, but there are ways to fix common issues. 1. App not syncing. Content not Storypod firmware updates. Firmware updates are essential for keeping your Storypod running smoothly. They ensure your device has the latest features and security patches. But sometimes you might encounter problems during or after an update. Below, we discuss common issues and solutions. 1. Update failed. 2. Device unresponsive post-update. Storypod general performance. Storypod is a great tool for kids to learn and enjoy stories. Sometimes it may face performance issues. This section will help you fix common problems. 1. Slow response time. 2. Frequent crashes. Storypod contacting support. Experiencing issues with your Storypod? Contacting support is the best way to resolve problems quickly. This section will guide you on when to reach out and what information to provide. 1. When to reach out. 2. Information to provide. Frequently asked questions about Storypod. Why is my Storypod not turning on? Ensure the battery is charged and the power button is held for 3 seconds. How can I reset my Storypod? Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds until it restarts. Why is my Storypod not playing audio? Check the volume level and ensure the content is properly downloaded. How do I update my Storypod firmware? Connect to Wi-Fi and go to the settings menu to check for updates. What to do if Storypod freezes? Hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a restart. Conclusion about Storypod. Troubleshooting your Storypod can be simple with the right steps. Follow the guidelines to resolve common issues. Keep your device updated for optimal performance. Enjoy seamless storytelling experiences with your Storypod. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. Let me know if you need more adjustments.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit HelloTroubleshooting.com.